Are you in your 20s and wondering where to invest your hard-earned money? Have you just graduated from one of the best universities in the world and wondering how to start building your financial future for yourself and your family? Have you thought about crypto? Yeah, it is too risky, and to be honest, I don't even get it. Well, what about stocks? Yeah, I get it as well. You don't want to wait 30 years for that compounding interest to actually kick in. But the real question is, have you thought about investing in real estate? Whether this is your first time hearing about real estate as an investment, or if you've been thinking about real estate investing for a little while now. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 reasons why you must be investing in real estate in your 20s. Before I show you the top 5 reasons you must be investing in real estate in your 20s, do me one quick favor. Hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss anything I have coming up for you. Reason number 1, time is on your side. One of the biggest advantages of investing in real estate in your 20s is that you have more time for your investments to grow and compound. The earlier you start, the more time you have to take advantage of the market and take advantage of some of the marketing trends. You'll be able to actually see the returns on your investment. And this is especially important when it comes to rental properties. As the more rental income you receive, you can reinvest that income and use it to purchase additional properties. This will lead to more growth in your rental portfolio over time. Reason number 2, less financial responsibilities. Let's be honest, in your 20s, you have a lot more time and you have a lot less financial responsibilities and commitments. This makes for a perfect time to take advantage of this financial responsibility and start investing in real estate. You probably don't have to support a family or pay a mortgage, therefore freeing up a lot more of your income to allow you to focus on building a rental real estate portfolio. Take it from me, I lived at home as long as I could, but by doing that, I was able to stack up my income and really focus on funneling it into my real estate investment portfolio. And before you knew it, I had a pretty sizable portfolio before I ended up moving out and therefore took on some additional financial responsibilities. Reason number 3, passive income. Real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income. By owning rental properties, you can get regular income from your tenants without actively having to work for it. This can start to provide you with financial stability and security, especially in times of uncertainty. In your 20s, this is very important. You probably don't have the highest earning capacity yet, but if you're able to receive some income from your rental properties, you set yourself up beautifully to be able to grow and scale as your income level goes up and as your investing career continues to go forward. Reason number 4, it's a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living goes up over time, so too do the prices of real estate and real estate rents. By investing in real estate, you can potentially see the value of your investment increase along with inflation. This can help protect your wealth and ensure that you maintain all of your purchasing power even as time goes on. This is a great thing to have because as you keep money in the bank, every year it becomes worth a little bit less. But when that money is invested into real estate, you get to benefit from all the appreciation and your wealth and your savings continue to grow. Reason number 5, real estate offers you the ability to create wealth and achieve financial independence. Real estate can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial independence. By investing in properties that appreciate in value, you can create significant wealth over time and have the financial freedom to do the things we want in life. This can include retiring early, traveling the world, or even better, starting your own business. At the end of the day, we don't buy real estate to actually own the property. We invest in real estate to buy back our time. The goal of real estate investing is to have the time to do whatever you want to do. Some people want to grow a business. Some people want to spend time with their family. Whatever you do, real estate sets you up to live the life that you want to live on your terms. By considering all these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether investing in real estate is right for you. As with any investment, it's important to do your research, seek out some professional guidance, and be aware of all the risks and rewards associated with any investment decision that you make. Whether you're in your 20s yourself or whether you know someone in your 20s, now you know why real estate is such an attractive and beneficial investment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your best friend because we all know sharing is caring. If you'd like to learn more about real estate investing, check out my 9-part series on the rookie real estate investor. I'll put the link somewhere here or down below in the description. Take care everyone, and I'll see y'all in the next video.